How have you been? The art of English small talk. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the heart of English conversation. Our topic is an informal colloquial greeting that you've probably heard before. How have you been? This phrase is commonly used in English-speaking cultures, and understanding how to use it can significantly improve your conversation skills. Let's start by understanding what "how have you been" means. This question is asked to inquire about someone's well-being, typically someone you haven't seen for a while. This question is looking for information about the recent past up until now. It's more specific than "how are you?", which generally inquires about someone's current state. Now that we know what it means, let's explore how to respond to "how have you been?" A typical response could be, "I've been good, thanks. How about you?" But there are many possibilities based on how you're feeling and the specific situation. You might say, "I've been busy with work, but otherwise good. I've been better. I've had a cold. I've been enjoying the weather lately." Remember, your response doesn't have to be just one word. It's an invitation to share a little about what's been going on in your life. How have you been is used mainly in informal situations. You might use it when catching up with a friend you haven't seen in a while, or when you run into an old acquaintance. Although it's less common in formal settings, it can still be used as a polite inquiry in a professional context, usually with people you have a somewhat personal relationship with, like a coworker you haven't seen recently. That wraps up our lesson on the colloquial greeting, "How have you been?" Remember, using this phrase in conversation not only shows that you are interested in the other person's life, but also helps you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. We hope this video was helpful, and we can't wait to see you in the next one.